In front of me is Apple iPhone 12, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here smoothly click on choose a new wallpaper right here. And you can pick one from dynamic, stills or live wallpapers. I will pick one from stills. Here we've got all the options, so let me apply this one. And now you can activate perspective or deactivate it, and finally click on set. Then decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen only, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. From now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both your home screen and also on your lock screen. Right here. So that will be all. This is it. This is how you can change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.